Let's cook the cranberry cookie today. Firstly, the softened butter, icing sugar. Mash them. So soft. Actually, I want to do the chocolate with the cranberry together, so I purposely make a lot of dough together. The egg, cake flour, separate into two so I can make the chocolate flavor and the cranberry together. Then this cranberry. Okay, this is the cranberry dough, and for the chocolate dough I put the cocoa powder first with the chocolate chips. Because of the dough is too soft, I'm planning to put this one in a fridge a while and make it hard. Solid already. I think just now my hand the temperature and the room temperature is too high. That's why the dough is too soft. In this case, you just put them in the fridge for a few minutes. Shake them. Without this one, the mold also can. Actually, one of my friends gave me this. That's why. Keep it in the freezer for at least 1 hour, up to 2 hours. Later we cut it. Okay, let's cut it. Alright, let's bake it. Wow. Let's check. You all can try this recipe. Time to enjoy my tea break. Bye bye.